Alexa, switch on the fairy lights.
Okay.
The first thing you will need is the Bropang Wi-Fi mini smart plug. I got this on Amazon for $14. The link is in the description box. The next thing you will need to do is download the Smart Life app. Connect the smart plug to an outlet. Then connect the fairy lights to the smart plug. Hold down the button on the side of the plug for 3 seconds till it starts blinking. The smart socket is now ready to connect with the app. Open the Smart Life app and select the arrow on the top right corner. Then select Electrical Outlet. After checking that the indicator light is blinking, go ahead and click Confirm. And then enter your Wi-Fi password. The app will take around a minute to connect to the smart plug. Name your fairy lights whatever you please. This is the name you'll be calling out to Alexa when you want to turn them on or off. Alexa, switch on the fairy lights.
Okay.